Did you know that some of the biggest value boosting features in your home aren't always obvious? Many sellers focus on the basics like cleaning and staging, but there are hidden details that can increase your home's selling price and make it stand out to buyers. Hey, I'm Julie Sabia, licensed realtor in Minnesota with Vikings Homes brokered by eXp Realty. I specialize in helping seniors sell their homes for top dollar and transition into a space that better fits their lifestyle. Today, I'm sharing 5 hidden features that can add serious value in selling your home. Let's get started. Number 1, updated systems and mechanics. Most buyers focus on kitchens and bathrooms, but serious buyers also look at what's behind the scenes. If you've recently replaced your furnace, AC unit, roof, or water heater, that's a huge selling point. Why it matters? Buyers want a home that's move-in ready, not one that needs major repairs. A newer HVAC or roof reduces future maintenance costs, making your home more appealing. If you have warranty information on any major upgrades, make sure to highlight it. 2, energy efficient upgrades. Today's buyers are more energy conscious than ever. Even small energy efficient updates can make your home more desirable. High value energy upgrades include new windows or doors. They improve insulation and lower the utility bills. Smart thermostats. They appeal to buyers looking for modern tech features. LED lighting and insulation improvements, increased efficiency and comfort. If your home has solar panels or energy efficient certification, that could be a major selling point for the right buyer. 3, storage and organization features. Buyers love homes with ample storage, even if they don't realize it at first. Custom closet systems with built-in shelving or organized walk-in closets add perceived value. A well-organized pantry makes a kitchen feel larger. And buyers love overhead racks and built-in shelving in the garage for organization. Show off your storage. Decluttering and organizing these spaces can highlight their full potential. 4, smart home technology. Technology-driven features are becoming more expected in today's market, even if your home isn't brand new. A few smart additions can make it feel modern and updated. Smart locks and security systems, they add convenience and peace of mind. Wireless doorbells with cameras, a simple upgrade that buyers love. Smart lighting and voice-activated assistants. Small touches like these make a big impression. These features make your home feel ahead of the curve without requiring a full remodel. 5, high quality landscaping and outdoor spaces. Curb appeal matters. A well-maintained outdoor space can make buyers fall in love before they even step inside. Boost your home's outdoor value with professional landscaping. Neatly trimmed trees and fresh mulch make a huge impact. Outdoor lighting adds beauty and security. Decks, patios, or fire pits extend the living space and create a welcoming feel. Even a simple refresh like power washing your driveway or adding potted plants can make a big difference. If you're thinking about selling and want to maximize your home's value, I can help. Call or text me at 763-257-7231 or send me an email at julie@vikingshomes.com. Let's make sure you get top dollar for your home by highlighting the features that buyers love most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.